Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to use another screen color or how to use different colors for the screen, the color inversion or for your mobile phone. Okay, if you want to use the color inversion, so you can see it has been different color. If you don't know, then you can check my videos by searching the how to use color inversion, and if you have been here, then you are able to see. Before doing, please watch the video nicely, and if you like it, you can do it. Okay, so let's move on. And if you don't like, you want to off, you can watch my videos again. I have said the how to off color inversion. Okay, so let's move on. Setting, it's same only with another like I have said, for the another different model you can check from there, and it's same only, you can check it. Okay, you have to scroll down to additional setting. Here it is. Then from here you have to scroll down to accessibility, then move on vision, then you have to move on to color inversion. Here it is, so you have to click on it. Friends, I'm telling you that if you want to use, you can use, and if you don't like, you can off it. Okay, I'll show you how to off it, and if you forgot how she was off, then you can watch again this video, right? Then use color inversion, just click on this icon, and here we are on color inversion. So if you want to off, you just move on in this direction and click on this icon, it will be off like this. Okay, it's very easy. So let's check the how it is. See, this is called color inversion. It has been, the color has been double with this some black. Okay, so if you love this and if you want to use this color, you can use it. Okay, I like it sometimes, but sometimes we don't like, we want to off it, right? So if you want to off, then you can check my videos. If this video you don't find it, another video also you will get it. Okay, I have said for the another models, and if you don't know how to set the with another model or with same, but it's same only. Okay, it actually same only, you can check my videos and it's same only. Okay, if another model also, if you get another model, it's same only, you can check it. Okay, and friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.